Work. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. We've got all the indices trading to the upside in a large way. The Dow's up 720, S&P up 106 points. That's 3%. NASDAQ 100 up about nearly 5%. 4.75%, 534 points. Russell's up 12. That's the laggard out here. Still trading higher. Semis are up 3.5%, 81 points out there. So what we've got going on, let's take a look at the S&P 500. Let's begin by taking a look at it. What you're going to see here, and this is very important, you're going to see the oscillator and change line. This is the squiggly green red line out here. Changed colors a couple days ago. Yesterday, as it was changing colors, price was testing that level. When you're above a green line, so green line, the oscillator and change line, tells you've got a rising price oscillator above zero. In fact, you want to take a look at the overall markets out here. Now, that's a bullish message. Now, that's the daily time frame. Let me pull over this little market analyzer for you. You might want to just try to capture this as a screen here. But what this is showing us, so we've got the cash indices, the typical ETFs for the indices, the diamonds, the IWMQ SPYs. Got the sectors for the S&P 500. Then I've got the equity future contracts out here. Got the current prices. Now you've got the daily OUL, weekly OUL, monthly OUL. The up arrows here, see a little arrow next to the SUP for support, RES for resistance. The up arrow is telling us that the line is actually green, that the oscillator and change, that the price oscillator is above zero. So when the green line is up, trading, moving higher, the word SUP, or the letters, the initials SUP are there, support, tells you that it's below. So lets us know that the current price is we've got a rising price oscillator above zero. You've got it inside the really most of these indices for their daily, their weekly, and their monthly time frame. So that's telling us about higher highs to come. Now, what is really needed for the S&P 500 specifically for that to continue is a spot volatility index trading below the 50-day exponential moving average. So as we go take a look at it, we're going to see right now that the 50-day exponential moving average is printing at 29.35. Prices printing out at 29.29, just 6 pennies below that 50-day exponential moving average. That is important, and here's the reason that it's important. This here shows you, and I like to use the term generally speaking, when prices above or below the 50-day exponential moving average, what you would typically experience for the S&P 500. So watch that 50-day exponential moving average for the spot volatility index. If you see it close below it, you should see a continued rally mañana. Stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show if you're off to start your Wednesday. Have a wonderful one. Thanks for being here.